Vitamin C for immunity and recovery. Welcome back to our journey through the world of essential vitamins. In this installment, we're diving into the wonderful realm of vitamin C, the ultimate booster for your immunity and recovery. So, buckle up as we explore the incredible benefits, backed by science, delicious vitamin C-rich foods, and mouth-watering recipes to supercharge your health. How vitamin C supports immunity and aids in recovery. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is a superhero nutrient when it comes to your immune system. Here's how it works. Immune cell activation. Vitamin C activates immune cells, such as white blood cells and phagocytes, enhancing their ability to combat infections and illnesses. Antioxidant power. It's a potent antioxidant that fights free radicals in your body. This helps reduce inflammation and supports your body's recovery process. Collagen production. Vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis, a protein that strengthens your skin, muscles, and connective tissues. This can speed up recovery from injuries and workouts. Improved iron absorption. It also boosts the absorption of non-heme iron from plant-based sources, ensuring that your body has enough iron for vital functions. Scientific studies on vitamin C and immunity. Don't just take our word for it, science backs up vitamin C's immune-boosting prowess. A study published in the Nutrients Journal in 2017 found that vitamin C supplementation reduced the duration and severity of common cold symptoms. Research published in the Annals of Nutrition and Metabolism showed that vitamin C can enhance the body's resistance to infections and shorten recovery times. The National Institutes of Health recommends vitamin C for its role in supporting the immune system, particularly during times of stress or illness. Vitamin C-rich foods. Now that you know the importance of vitamin C, let's talk about delicious sources. Citrus fruits, oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes are classic vitamin C powerhouses. Bell peppers, red, yellow, and green bell peppers are not only colorful but also packed with vitamin C. Strawberries, these little red gems are not only sweet but also rich in vitamin C. Kiwi, with a vibrant green interior, kiwi is a vitamin C-rich fruit that adds a refreshing twist to your diet. Guava, this tropical delight can provide more vitamin C than most other fruits. Broccoli, among vegetables, broccoli stands out as an excellent source of vitamin C. Simple vitamin C-rich recipes. Citrus salad. Combine orange and grapefruit segments with some chopped strawberries for a tangy and sweet salad. Drizzle with honey for added flavor. Bell pepper stir-fry. Sauté sliced bell peppers with your choice of protein and a tasty stir-fry sauce for a quick and nutritious meal. Kiwi smoothie. Blend kiwi with yogurt, honey, and ice for a refreshing and vitamin C-packed smoothie. Guava salsa. Dice guava, mix it with diced tomatoes, red onion, cilantro, and a squeeze of lime juice for a unique salsa to accompany your dishes. So, there you have it, folks. Vitamin C, the defender of your immune system and your trusted partner in recovery. Don't wait for the sniffles to kick in, start incorporating these delicious vitamin C-rich foods into your diet today, and enjoy the tasty recipes we've shared. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.